Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk to you about the VeryDice app. It's an app that allows you to spin the wheel to roll some dice and get credited with some tickets. And then you can redeem those tickets for products, gifts, gift cards, and other awesome stuff. So here's how you do it. You download the app, I put a link in the description below. And once you sign up, you're going to enter my code. I've added the code in the description below. That code will give you 30 free rolls. Now in a minute here, you're going to see why rolls are important. In the upper right hand corner of this app, you can see the number of tickets that you have. Right now I'm at 539. And oh, looks like I've just rolled doubles. So I have the option of just giving me 2 bonus tickets, or I can play this cool little basketball game to get more than 2 tickets if I wanted. But as you can see, I'm really bad at this game and I actually lost an extra ticket. So I don't recommend doing the doubles basketball game unless you're good enough to make more than the number of tickets that the bonus would have given you. If you look down on the bottom, you'll see 5 different tabs: Action Feed, Friend Zone, Bonus Tab, Tourneys, and Redeem. Now my favorite tab is the Friend Zone tab because that will give you your own custom code to share with your friends and family, and when they sign up, you'll both get extra rolls. But it looks like I'm out of rolls, so let me go ahead and tap Refer Your Friends so you can see what that looks like. And so once your friends download the app and they in the upper right hand corner they press enter friend code and enter your code, you'll get rolls and they will get 30 rolls. Now this is the action feed. You'll notice that there are a few options. I'm going to go ahead and tap on watch videos for rolls so that you can see a sped up version of what you have to do to get 1 free roll. You just watch the short video, and then once the video's done, in the upper right hand corner, if you're on an iPhone, you'll have a little X and you'll press the X, and then once you're done with that, then you'll head over to the bonus tab and you'll see that you collected 1 roll. You press get roll or whatever, and then you'll go back to the home page and you'll see in the upper left hand corner that I had that 1 roll and I rolled a 7. So you can buy rolls, but I don't think that this is a very good value, and I will cover why a little bit later on in the video. But essentially, this is how the app makes money. It's not how you make money. Okay, let's go back to the action feed, and you can take surveys here, you can take polls, you can view a sponsored ad, and with every single action that you do, you will get a certain number of rolls. Now, rolls are important here because that's the only way you can collect these tickets, and then you can redeem those tickets for prizes. I've headed over to the raffles section and I'm scrolling down and you can see the number of live raffles that I can enter. Now I clicked this one and you can see I had to watch a short video, but once that X appears in the top right hand corner of the screen, you'll be added to this raffle, and it's really simple to do. It doesn't take very long to enter these raffles. And as you can see, I have 5 more free raffles that I can join. I'm just scrolling around to show you the different raffles that are offered. If you head to the catalog tab, you can click on these different prizes and then you can see how much it would cost to redeem for these prizes. In my opinion, 4,000 tickets for a bag of Starburst is not worth it, so I would recommend heading over to the gift card tab and scrolling down and finding the company that you want to use your tickets for. Like this Xbox, for example, you can select a different amount of money to redeem, and in this case, $15 will cost you 36,000 tickets. That might seem a little bit high, but if you are an Xbox lover, then that might be a good gift for you. And as you can see, Cinemark has a bunch of different options, but in this case, you're going to have to spend a lot of tickets. Now, back when I said that I didn't think buying tickets was a good idea, If you think about it, for $1, you get 30 rolls. Now, let's say that in those 30 rolls, you collected 500 tickets. Well, you would have to do that every single time to redeem 36,000 tickets for that $10 gift card. You would have to spend much more money than spending only $10 on the Cinemark app itself to buy a $10 gift card. So the idea here is you want to share this app with a ton of friends so that you don't have to spend your own money, you don't have to watch videos, you don't have to do anything else, but you will let your friends that sign up underneath you do the work so that you can get the free rolls so that you can then redeem and get more tickets from their work. And that's pretty much it. I really like this app so far. Um, a lot of people have actually redeemed for really cool prizes like a video camera, a camera itself. They redeemed for Amazon Fire Sticks and a bunch of other really great things. So if this is the type of app that interests you, I highly recommend checking it out. I've put the link down in the description below so that you can click it, you can sign up, you can use my code to get 30 free rolls. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification icon to make sure you're notified when I upload a new video. I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one.